So now, the final day before the exam, your situation is exactly similar to Arjun ki pratigya. On the 13th day of the war, Arjun's son, Abhimanyu, was killed by the Kauravas while breaking the Chakravyuh. And this killing was possible due to the treacherous designs created by Jayadratha. And while killing Abhimanyu, no emotions were spared and he was killed brutally. At this point of time, Arjun has taken a vow, a pledge that by tomorrow's sunset, he will be killing Jayadratha. And if he is not able to kill Jayadratha, so then he will immolate himself in front of everyone. Earlier, Jayadratha tried to abduct Draupadi, and when Pandavas figured out that he is trying to abduct Draupadi, so he was humiliated and his head was shaved at 5 places so that his humiliation will be visible to people. So at that point of time, Jayadratha has gone for extreme penance and he got a boon from Lord Shiva that on one chosen day, none of the Pandavas will be able to defeat him. But Lord Shiva has given an exception. That is, Arjun can defeat him because Lord Vishnu is always there with the Arjun. So he will have to save himself from the Arjun on that particular day, not with the all Pandavas. So after Arjun has taken the vow to kill Jayadratha, at that point of time, Jayadratha has chosen the 14th day. So preparations were on the side of the Kauravas that how to save the life of the Jayadratha. And Guru Dronacharya created many mechanizations to save the life of the Jayadratha. And in fact, by the time this 14th day war started, Arjun was all after the life of the Jayadratha. But then Guru Dronacharya's mechanizations were very effective. And almost it was evening. And almost sun was going to set. Now it seemed that there is a rejoice, there is a celebration in the Kauravas army that now if Jayadratha is not killed, Arjun will immolate himself, and with the death of the Arjun, the entire Mahabharat war will end. Arjun was also gloomy. At this particular moment, he did not realize that he was with the Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna at this time, he released his Sudarshan Chakra which covered the sun, and moreover the entire environment became dusky, cloudy, as if the sunset has already happened. The rejoice, the celebration started in the enemy's army, and Jayadratha came in front of the Lord Krishna and so as the Arjuna. At this moment, Lord Krishna removed his Sudarshan Chakra from the Lord's Sun, and the Lord's Sun once again appeared. And Lord Krishna asked Arjun, "देख क्या रहा है अर्जुन, उठा गांडीव और चला दे तीर, काट दे जयद्रथ का सर." And in the moment, the entire scenario changed. Arjun was now holding up his Gandiv, the divine weapon, and then he launched the arrow and he decapitated the head of Jayadratha. What is there in this story for you? You have done hard work all around the year. You have dedicated your time, your life, your moments to this examination. So in this last moment, do not doubt yourself when the Lord is there with you. And now at this moment, I ask you to hold up your weapon and go give this exam with the full confidence. उठाओ गांडीव and चला दो तीर, अब तुम्हारा वक्त है।